The truth is, animals are animals. They can be unpredictable, and the very fact that they can be unpredictable, you need to insure yourself.
Dogs may be man's best friend, but sometimes our canine companions can create serious issues for their guardians, presenting pet owners who need insurance with very hard-to-place risks.
One of the leading causes of homeowner liability claims is animal liability. And so whether your animal is in your backyard and you have a child climb over the fence and your dog trying to protect the home attacks, or if you've got your dog on the porch and another dog wanders up and there's an incident, you just never know.
Usually, breeds considered to be aggressive are excluded under typical homeowners policies. Since all insurance policies have exclusions, it's vital to understand what is and is not covered. When an incident or claim occurs, you don't want to be surprised by the type of liability coverage you have on your pet.
We always suggest checking your homeowner's policy. Do you have coverage, number one, based on the breed of the animal? And if you do, what limits and where do you have coverage? And so we suggest starting with looking at your homeowner's or your renter's policy.
On many occasions, landlords do require liability coverage before renting to pet owners, and that coverage is harder to come by. In recent years, the number of breeds covered by the insurance industry has been decreasing. All the more reason X Insurance stands out in the crowd.
We don't have any breed restrictions. We don't even have bite history restrictions. We believe that not only are we underwriting the dog, and again, we'll accept any breed, regardless of bite history, we underwrite the owner. That's huge, and we kind of feel like a hero for being able to say yes versus no.
When people are injured or experience property damage caused by a pet, they expect the guardian to take responsibility. People want medical bills paid promptly, and sometimes they seek additional compensation. X Insurance offers unique pet policies customized for each guardian. With premiums as low as $30 a month, X Insurance provides substantial protection and peace of mind.
And if you don't have protection, you're exposing yourself. It's scary. That could be $25,000, $50,000. If you're not covered, how are you going to pay for legal fees, medical expenses? These things, like I mentioned earlier, start to snowball. Everything that you've built, your assets are at risk. Worst case scenario, as we discussed earlier, bankruptcy, years of litigation, and it could be an absolute nightmare and a mess if you don't have the coverage.
If you have insurance for your residence, your car, your life, and your health, shouldn't you insure the pet you love? Don't be blindsided. Go to xinsurance.com for your free quote.
It's a win-win for everybody involved,
including your best friend. Let X Insurance be your partner if an incident or claim occurs involving your pet.